Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today I'm playing with my new EB210 Shinemate Cordless Mini Polisher / Rotary / Orbital. If you get the polisher on its own, we're starting at $151, and depending on what kit you purchase or look for, this is the entire kit right here, you're looking closer to $400. Let's go over some specs. The voltage, 10.8 VDC, orbital size. You can go from 5mm to 12mm, and it also has the rotary attachments. We're going to go over all the attachments and the backing plates that are available. As a rotary, 700 to 1800 rotations per minute. As a dual action polisher, 3000 to 8000 orbits per minute. Backing plate, 1 1/4, 2, 2.5, and 3-inch backing plates. Your charge time, 50 minutes on a dead battery. Your working time is going to be 50 minutes as well. Dimensions, 231 millimeters by 57 by 61. It is a brushless motor and has 6 speeds. I don't have them all here, but the Shinemate's quick change adapter function lets you effortlessly switch back and forth from one adapter to the next. With the versatility of this tool, you can use it for many applications and jobs. Tight areas, vented areas. You can use it to polish behind doorknobs and door handles. And you can also use it for larger panels as well, and everything in between. With the machine, you can cut, polish, and finish, and you can use it to remove swirl marks, oxidation, restore a faded finish, love marks, etching, any imperfection at all. So the first thing we want to do is get the charger out. There are 2 chargers available. The BC121 is a single battery charger. I have the BC122, which is a dual charger for batteries. Let's get that plugged in. The kit has everything you need, including the instruction manuals, the batteries, the pads, the backing plates, the charger, the cords, and the polisher, and the tools to attach the backing plates as well. The dual battery charger, the BC122, can simultaneously charge up to 3 amp output for 50 minutes, and it can keep track of both batteries easily. It will maintain them. It will prevent the battery from overcharging or over discharging, and it will prolong the service of your batteries, which are expensive enough these days. The charger will flash green while the batteries are charging, and that will give us a chance to show you the polisher itself. This is bare without the attachments or the battery included. It has the trigger switch on the bottom and the power switch with the speed buttons on top right here. I'd like to share from working with the unit. It's versatile, it's very light, it's quiet, it's smooth, and it's rather powerful for its size. The battery can only slide in there with the grooves that allow it to slide in one way. And once you get it clicked in place, hold the power button for 3 seconds and you can bring the polisher to life by pushing the trigger on the underside of the polisher. There are three heads or attachments for the polisher: a 5 millimeter orbital sanding or polishing head, a 12 millimeter orbital polishing head, a high torque rotary polishing head, and a high speed rotary polishing head as well. I probably enjoy the rotary attachment the best. These are two cone-like polishing pads you can attach directly to the polisher or attach the extensions and be able to reach into tight areas or beneath door handles. These work excellent. In the accessory kit for the rotary, you can also find 1 and 2 inch backing plates with foam, microfiber, and wool pads to attach directly to the polisher itself. Use the wrench included in the kit to torque things down, and you can safely polish A, B, and C pillars, interior parts, chrome strips, hub areas. You can spot correct scratches, narrow areas that have gaps or grids behind door handles. You can sand or polish with the machine. Here are the attachments. This is the longer attachments. It's about 3 inches, 4 inches or so, and they have one that's about an inch or two long. You can put them together or you can use them one by one or separately. This is the little backing plate you can use for the 1 inch pads. If you need something a little bit wider, you can also attach the 2 inch backing plate onto the extension as well. Now we are going to swap out the high-speed rotary polishing head to the high-torque rotary polishing head. For just a few examples of what can be done with this attachment, you can put the cone-shaped pads on here to polish wheels and some of their intricate wheel designs. Or simply swap them out and put a backing plate for foam pads, microfiber, or wool pads. All right, now we can remove the high-speed attachment and grab the 12 millimeter orbital attachment. And then works well with the 3-inch backing plate and 3-inch foam pads to cut and finish. You can also use wool and microfiber pads as well. And the shop manager strongly approves. No. With the throw of the 12 millimeter head or attachment, and you team that up with a wool or microfiber pad, you're going to be able to get some serious work done. Mine did too. Yep. By the way, each backing plate has a ball bearing with this spring that needs to be compressed to attach the backing plate to the machine, and that firmly keeps it taut, and the ride across the panel is smooth, effortless, quiet, and surprisingly powerful. Now, with the volume turned up to normal levels, I will cycle through the machine to let you hear what it sounds like. I will have another video to show how you can utilize it and everything that it's capable of, but here is a quick sample. At this point, am truly enjoying different ways to utilize the machine. I thought I would share the information with you. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.